Hello world, welcome back to my channel. My name's Paul. We're back in Kuala Lumpur, guys. We've got my KLR 650s. It's Wednesday today. The bike will arrive this afternoon, but it won't clear customs till Friday, so I'll go in. They were going to deliver it to my hotel, but that was an extra fee, so I'm just gonna do it at the put it back together at the customs thing. The front wheel's off. There's a couple of things I have to put back on, handlebars, etc. But yes, now I've just got to get through through immigration, get my bag, and we're back in Southeast Asia, guys. I'm excited, I really am. Oh, poor Charlotte, my shipping agent, customs agent. She came to pick up the carnet, but I sent her to the wrong hotel, so that's an hour away. There's two hotels with the same name, so she's not upset. She said, no, Paul, you don't know, so, but I'm feeling a bit guilty. But hopefully she'll be here in about 20 minutes. I can give her the carnet, and I was supposed to... The bike arrives today, and I was supposed to be able to get it out tomorrow, but they couldn't get me clearance to the customs warehouse till Friday. But I thought I'd be getting it tomorrow, so I only booked here tonight. I was going to go to the to customs, put the bike together, put Libby together, and then go actually into Kuala Lumpur, because it's still an hour away from here. The airport's a long way off. But I need at least one extra night, probably two, but they're full here. And there's hotels everywhere. This is the Holiday Inn right here. This one's really flash. Everything's full. I managed to find a room around the corner with 3 double beds in it, a family room. It cost me $60 a night, but beggars can't be choosers, guys. But this is a pretty good area, lots of food. I'm drinking a Malaysian coffee, which is a really strong coffee with sweetened condensed milk. Yummy. I like it. So poor Charlotte made it at last after driving halfway around Malaysia to try and find me. I'm very sorry.
It's okay, just you're not familiar with the place here. Yeah,
so. And the two hotels having the same name, that's very confusing. But anyway, thank you very much.
Welcome. Hope you like our service.
Yes.
Yeah,
yes,
and hope you like Malaysia, enjoy Malaysia.
I love Malaysia. I've always loved Malaysia. And the service here is so much better than India. India just, it drove me mad for 15 days to get the bike out.
Okay, thank you.
Morning, guys. Not much on for today. We've just got to move hotels. This is our hotel there where that motorbike is. There's another one just around the corner here. Grand Prix weekend, so yeah, everything's pretty busy, but for now we're just on the search for some breakfast. I want roti. I've been dreaming about roti. As soon as I realised I was coming back to Malaysia, I want roti. Oh, actually, what's here? These are one of those breakfasts you pick your own. I want roti. There's plenty of time for eating these. That looks really good though. Man, the security guard said up here. Guys, if you remember in the Malaysia videos before, this was my standard breakfast. 2 roti, 2 eggs and a cup of tea. Now, I'm feeling a bit disappointed in myself because yesterday I was lazy. And I had Burger King for dinner because it was just easy. But now I've been walking around this district, seeing all the amazing restaurants. I'm feeling a bit disappointed in myself because I've only got 2 more nights here and I'm not going to be able to eat all this yummy food. Yum, really yum, but they're bringing my eggs separate. I wanted them together, but that's alright. And now we're just changing hotels. This is our new hotel just there. Oh, we were lucky. I've said this already, but getting a room with Grand Prix weekend, very, very lucky. Just having a bit of a wander. Hello. And everything's so clean, guys. After this last 6 or 7 months, can't believe how clean everything is here. And I'm gonna eat. Oh no, I'm gonna eat, but I'm not sure what I want to eat yet, so I'm having a bit of a wander around. I haven't been this hungry for ages. It's just all this delicious food. I love Malaysian food, guys. In India, Nepal, even Pakistan, everything had that same sort of taste. Anything you ate had that same basic flavour, with varieties, but it all had that, you know, the initial start. Here, just so many different things. I've really got a craving for laksa. We will see what I end up eating. Well, I didn't film the laksa because it wasn't that good. Even a bad laksa is good, but that was probably the worst one I've ever had, really. Now I'm just wandering around, but look at this, guys. It was sunny when I came in. I keep ending up in wet season wherever I go. I spent all of last year in wet season Southeast Asia. I just did monsoon season in India, and now I'm here. It's wet season starting here, so yes, I'm not very good at planning the weather. Well guys, it's not night time yet, but this is the night market, and I'm hungry. I had a big lunch. I had the laksa and a couple of egg tarts and things, Portuguese tarts they call them here. So I'm going for my go-to Indonesian snack, which is satay and 2-minute noodles. So I'm just waiting for him to do my 10 satays. Then I'll get some 2-minute noodles across the road and some soda water, and I'll go back to my room and make my dinner. Yum, but there's heaps of food around here, guys. Morning, guys. I should have filmed before. If you remember Peter from last year in the Exploring Kuala Lumpur video, he drove me out here. So I should have filmed, but I was so happy to see him that we just talked all the time, I forgot. So I'm at the customs pass office. I've got my pass for the day, so I can go into the secure area of the airport, put Libby back together. I'm a bit excited. I'm happy to be going to ride these beautiful Malaysian roads without people trying to kill me every 5 minutes. And I think tomorrow morning I've been invited to dinner. My niece Emily, that I told you is visiting, her boyfriend's family have invited me for dinner this evening. It all depends how long I am here, but either way I'll either have dinner with her tonight or breakfast in the morning. But I think maybe tomorrow or the next day I might head to Thailand. What a life I lead. Oh, I might just flip up to Thailand, yes. I booked my tickets home for Christmas in pretty much 4 weeks exactly. So I've got 4 weeks to explore Thailand and Malaysia. There's a lot in Malaysia, so I might just go up to Phuket, have a quick look around there, get an idea of what Thailand's like, and then I'll go back there with Janet, have a proper look later on. Anyway, I'm waffling. I've just got to sit here and wait for my agent. He'll come and take me in, and I'll show you Libby when we get there. And guys, just over the other side of these trees here is the Grand Prix track. I don't know if you can hear it. I can hear it quite clearly. I think it's the motorbikes, because the actual Grand Prix is on Saturday, I think. And here she is, guys. He's just on the forklift moving everything around. She'll pull her out here so I can put her back together and hopefully ride out of here this afternoon. Thank you, my friend. And I've done it again. She's all back together. I broke this mirror, but I did that. The thing didn't do it. But I'm going to Thailand where these bikes are made, so hopefully I'll be able to get a new mirror in Thailand. But everything seems fine. We've just got to go and get some fuel and then do all the custom stuff. And then I'm out of here. Yeehaw. And for those of you wondering if a KLR is enough to do this trip, First kick, guys. She's been on an aeroplane. First kick she started. I love this bike. I really love this bike. Well, that was really easy, guys. Everything got done surprisingly quick. I'm back at my hotel. It's about 4 in the afternoon, but things just got done so easily. I just put some washing in, and I was worried that I wouldn't be able to get laundry done because I'm leaving here in the morning, but she'll have it done by 7 tonight, so that's good. And now I'm going to go and try and find something to eat. I bought all the soda waters. I found some soda water in a shop down the road, but I bought them all. So I've got to go and try and find somewhere else because I don't want to be drinking sugary drinks the whole time I'm here, which is a problem in Malaysia. In Indonesia, there's a drink that doesn't seem sugary. It's kind of a lemon drink. And I didn't get that feeling from it that I get when I drink too sugary stuff. So I'm all right in Indonesia. But here, there's I think they call it 100, which is kind of thirst quenching, but it is sweet. Anyway, I'm going to have a wander around. I'll get back to you in a little bit. Well, we found soda. They're hot, but it's all right. The hotel's got a fridge I can use. And I bought heaps. More than I'll probably drink today, but I'll take some to the next hotel because, yeah, like I said, this country, soda water is a bit of a lucky find. What am I going to eat? I think I'll go back to my hotel, have something to eat later. Here we are, guys. Not the most secure parking, but that's the office there. There's people there 24 hours a day. And it's the Design Hotel, pretty comfy. I had booked a room, the only room that was left in this whole district near the airport. It was going to cost me about $80 a night because it was 70 maybe, because it had 3 double beds in it. It was a family room. But when I got here, they said, "Oh, sir, we had a cancellation. You can have this room." So they'd given me the little double room, which was a relief. That cost me about $35, which is a more, look at her, all ready to go. I'm happy. And guys, I'm pretty sure I've got plenty of footage to make a video. So if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that mad dog icon up there or the subscribe button down below. May as well hit that bell icon while you're down there. I always try and respond to your comments, so leave a comment, give me a big thumbs up, share this video everywhere you can. We'll see you in the next one.